I'd like to welcome you to a viewing of 21 Nightingale Place in DH9. It's a lovely 3-bedroom mid-link property, fully double glazed with gas central heating. We're at the front of the property. As you can see, it has a lovely, quite a large garden with fencing on either side. So it's lovely and private. And then we'll walk down to the house and I'll show you a view from the house upwards. So you have got a gate in that fence there at the top, and as you can see, you've got lovely views over open countryside here. Then we'll enter into the porch area. We've got double glazed front door and side panel, so it's nice and light. And it's actually open plan to the living room. So you've got laminate on the floor, really large radiator there. And a really pleasant living room with an electric fire and surround. Understairs cupboard. And a large picture window looking out to the front garden. So a nice large area, this living room. All white walls and just laminate floor. Then this is the understairs cupboard with coat hooks. Then from the living room you're into another open plan room, laminate on the floor here. I'm sorry if I keep sniffing, but it's actually snowing outside today, so it's pretty cold. Large dining room, open plan to the kitchen. The laminate on the floor, cupboard there for storage, and a nice modern kitchen with a good range of wall and base units. You've got the range style cooker with 5 burners on the hob, large oven, and the stainless steel cooker hood and splashback. See, drawers, cupboards. So plenty of storage in the kitchen. Suppose you could put a freezer in there if you wanted. Plumbing for your washing machine. And plenty of room for a dining room table. And a big radiator. Thermostatic valves on the radiators, so you control the temperature of each individual room. So it makes it more economical for you to run. Then to the rear of the property, we have another porch with laminate flooring, and this leads into a conservatory. So as I say, it's very cold outside today, but when I walked in here, it was nice and warm. So nice room here, be lovely in the summer. UPVC, tiles on the floor, and a lovely rear garden. So you've got some bushes and a lawned area. So you've got the French doors from the conservatory leading into the hot house, back through the little porch. You've got another radiator here, so plenty of radiators downstairs. Another large cupboard with a consumer unit, and your meters are outside, your gas and electric, smart meters. Then the grey striped carpet upstairs and on the landing, all white walls, just been decorated, so it's lovely and clean. And to the front we've got the main bedroom, so a good sized double bedroom, blinds to the windows, large radiator, a dark grey carpet, and there's your view again. Fabulous view. And then to the rear of the property, along the landing, we've got the second bedroom. So grey carpet, another double bedroom. It's hard to tell actually which one's the biggest between the two, and this one has 2 storage cupboards with hanging rails and shelf in, so plenty of room for a double bed and some drawers. Blinds to the windows again, and then back to the front to have a look at the third bedroom. This is a single bedroom, dark carpet again, white walls, just very plain decor, all nice and clean. But it is a single bedroom. It's not tiny, it's not a total box room, but it is single, so you get the bed along there, and you still have room for a desk or set of drawers, plenty of sockets. And then back along to the bathroom. So vinyl to the floor in a grey. We've just had a new fan put in, so we've got to sweep up the little bits of paint, flake paint. It's nothing, that'll soon be swept up. And there's your pedestal wash hand basin, WC, nice large bath with electric shower. And then you've got your shower screen as well. So, nice modern bathroom with a blind, double window for plenty of light, and your radiator. And then on the landing, we've got 2 storage cupboards, one with your boiler, combi boiler, so instant heat and hot water. And then this one is just another storage cupboard, quite a big one actually. So a great house for storage, good sized bedrooms, nice large bathroom, fantastic space downstairs, and it's all ready to let.